How to buy a rich PUG token. So this token came under the symbol of PUG. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is your referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code, same code below. Found your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now this token, as you can see, but before we go and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. This token, as you can see right now, it's in pre-sale. So the people to buy this token, go to their official website. They included it on their REFERRAL account. So after you open their website, what you want to do, it's easy and simple. Just connect your wallet first. I will use the Bitget wallet for that. So use your wallet that you use daily, or that you have a fund on it. So after that, click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to the pre-sale page, what you need to do, you can go here. So as you can see, the stage 2 ends in 4 days. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Select one of these tokens, as you can see, the Solana on USDT. So click on buy now, and now as you can see here, select your currency. I will use this USDT. Now click on but before that, you can now how many PUG token you would like to buy. So enter here, or you can enter the amount that you want to buy with that USDT, and you will be able to see here the equal of that number of tokens. So click on buy now. As you can see here, you will be able to see this information, the total tokens, the bonus, so the amount to pay, and the currency is USDT. Now click on confirm. Now after that, as you can see, the pop-up will be appear here from your wallet that you just connected, and click on agree. So after that working, because I don't have any fund on my wallet, I can be able to proceed to buy process. So in your case, you will be able to confirm, and you can go and complete the buy process. So this is how to buy a PUG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.